This question is essentially just a high-low method question, and they're asking you to work out what the cost is going to be in month 3 if you work and produce 1,400 units. So what we need to do here is go through and work out the variable cost and work out the fixed cost, but it does tell you that during the second month there was a 6% pay increase. So the best way to deal with this is to take out that 6% from month 2. So if you divide this by 1.06, this will take you back to what the original cost should have been, which is 27,000. Once we've done that, it becomes a dead straightforward high-low method question. We've just got to remember to add that 6% back in at the end of it. So if we consider our units and our costs, and we look at the high activity and the low activity, the high activity is 1,200 units with a revised cost without the increase of 27,000, where low is 1,000 with a cost of 25. This will give you a difference of 200 units and a difference in cost of $2,000, and therefore the variable cost per unit is the cost of 2,000 divided by your units of 200, which works out to be $10 per unit. Now, once you have the variable cost per unit, we can then try to work out the fixed cost. And there's lots of ways to do this. But if you simply pick one activity level, let's say we pick the high activity of 1,200 units, then the variable cost in total at that point will be 1,200 units multiplied by $10 per unit is $12,000. We then need to work out our fixed cost, but we do know that the total cost at the high activity is 27,000. Therefore, the difference should just be the balancing figure between the two. So our fixed costs should be 15,000. Now, once you know this, we can then answer the question, which was what will the cost be in month 3 if we are making 1,400 units. And therefore, if you make 1,400 units, you are going to have variable costs of 1,400 times $10 plus your fixed costs of $15,000, which means we have a total cost of 29,000. But remember, that doesn't include the pay rise of 6%. So if you then add back in that 6%, you will get a total cost in month 3 of $30,740.